Ah, ito yung toilet.
Toilet!
After
that, it's only...
Buti walang araw, ang galing.
The wolf from Canada.
Which one?
The wolf.
Wolf?
The big wolf that's just past there.
Ah, it's a wolf.
No, it's a dog. I'm joking.
I thought it's a wolf.
But there's actually wolves there.
But really, there's really a wolf in the mountain?
Yeah.
Ah,
But they're hidden.
they're hiding.
And they are too afraid of humans.
Ah,
So we don't see them. But yeah, they came back from not too far ago.
yeah.
Because after that, before that, they were really hidden.
Yeah.
Like no more in the tunnel.
Yeah.
And they recently, after the pandemic, everything, they recently came back.
They came back because there's no
Yeah.
people coming. Nice, huh? And now they start to hide again.
Yeah. They're smart animals.
Yes.
They don't want to share with humans.
Wow. Oh my God.
Oh, you're good.
Beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at beauty. Oh my God.
Amazing.
Oh my God, ang ganda. Ah. Ah. Pango. This. Yes, yes, it's nga edit. Go. Take video here.
And remember that if you need to, I have hiking stick
Extra.
for you.
Mm.
Vous voulez?
Ay, yes, ano. We can just follow the yellow trail, but I don't know where the tour guide is. Oh my God. Ang bango ng rosemary.
Be careful with the shiny and the slippery rock, shiny and dusty rock.
Yes,
They are the most slippery.
the shiny is the most slippery. Wow.
Shiny like you know,
Yes.
this
Ah,
one.
yes.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, it's slippery.
Yeah, you see.
So, ay!
Be careful. It should be okay.
Yes. Ah. Ang saya. First time. It's my first time to hike like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's in France. Even in my country, I don't do hiking.
Oh,
But
you have to. You're going to go home and
but it's
go there
beautiful.
every day.
Yes.
Okay. This is gonna be the way back. Now we are climbing down this way. You know what I told you?
Yes, the yellow trail.
Straight up and point.
What's the meaning for point?
Point. It's like another way. There's no meaning with the color. You know,
Yes.
if we're going on the red way, it's not hardest way. It's just to differentiate the
Okay.
different way. It's not like the ski. With the ski, we have different color for different levels.
Yes.
So this is gonna be the for the way back. Now we are going at the right.
Yay!
Yeah.
Going down to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Is this going to the beach now?
Playa.
Oh,
Vamos a la playa.
we will stay there for a while.
We have about an hour at the beach.
If you're tired, you can just roll. Roll going down now.
Yeah, you can fly also.
Oh, nice.
You're not a bird. Are you a bird?
But this yellow line.
Ang pagbalik pala.
Hike, pag-hike.
You have to reach the mark.
Yes. Just follow the
line.
line.
If it's like this, you have to turn.
Yes.
If it's a cross, you don't go there.
Ah. Wow. So it's better to go here or to the Notre Dame?
Oh, me, I prefer there.
Ah.
Every day is not the same. Notre Dame is like this since it's been constructed, you know?
Yes.
But the nature, it's changed every day. Colors are not the same. You can pick some thyme and smell it. It's another
It's a time?
provincial herb. Yeah, this
This one.
little bush, little bushes.
Okay.
You have also there.
It smells good.
Yeah, but it's kind of dry right now
Oh.
because we had.
It's like an herbal thing.
Yeah, for cooking.
Sure. Yeah.
Champion sa ano sa manok.
For the nature.
Pizza. Pasta, chicken, roast.
Ang bango. Ito pala yung naamoy ko. Akala ko oregano. Thyme pala siya.
It's a little bit.
Oo nga eh. Parang oregano. Sa pizza pala. Oo. Ah, ito yellow trail. McCormick. Kung hindi McCormick, wala, no? Time pala, time.
Pang gourmet.
What ba yan?
Ah. So this yellow root is more of medium, intermediate,
Yeah,
or
beginners.
yeah, for beginners.
yeah.
Ah.
It depends. It's actually it depends. You have to have a little bit
Experience, yes. But to enter here is you should have a permit or you can go anytime.
To enter here?
Yes.
Mm,
You need a tour guide.
Ah, you need a tour guide.
it depends because
Or if you
after the pandemic,
yes,
too many people went there,
yes.
so it creates erosion of the floor.
Ah, yes, because too much people coming.
Yeah. So now, during certain periods, the chalets are only on booking and limited access.
Ah, yes. Because you know, yesterday we checked, there's still 9 people available. And then when we refresh, only 7 left.
Yeah,
Very limited.
It's booked fast
Yes,
because
many people wants to go here.
Be careful there. You can just slipper like a
Just slide.
slippery shoe.
Just slide.
Yeah.
Ay, madulas ha. Madulas yan. Madulas na, madulas yan. Pag nadulas ha, oo nga.
Oo nga, nadulas. Oo nga, madulas.
Kala ko kasi nagbibiro ka eh. Uy!
Even in the rainy season, in the cold season, there's still people going here or no?
Yeah.
Really?
The other day we went back,
Yes.
and when we went back, when we start getting back, it starts raining a lot.
Ah,
But it actually feels really good to just walk under the rain.
yes.
It's refreshing, you know.
Ah, yes, yes. It's no more. You don't need water. No,
Yeah.
less dehydration.
Directly open the mouth and drink.
Yes.
Yeah, there's not as much people.
Hindi nga.
Dito na.
Yeah. The adventure way.
Yes. Rocky Mountain.
Go as slow as you need to. If you need a hand, come here.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Because I have camera, so.
May pop the nerd. Ha?
Avoid sliding, ah. Avoid the silvery shining rock.
Oh.
Hey, ano pang house translation?
Radyan, Radyan.
Yeah, birthday boy!
Yay!
Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday!
Royana!
Unexpressed wishes.
Yeah, we made it, we made it.
First time rock climbing, hiking, trekking in France! Yay! Yes.
Just to differentiate
Yes.
the race.
Aba, we selfie as one ah. You block as one na the highway. Meron akong special appearance dito sa video natin. Kalangkes Tour. Once in a while, magpakita kayo sa video ni Prince. Para meron tayong ano.
Picture tayo.
Uy, sama. Sama us all. Yay!
Dapat sasama natin tour guide natin.
Yan. We win as one! Nice! Bonjour!
Mais une occasion de mettre, on n'était pas collé à la roche.
Let's go to the beach. Wow. Which one?
Space Invaders.
Space Invaders?
Like
No.
the video games.
Yes,
The
yes.
old video games.
Yeah.
Prince,
You can see one. Yeah. You know Space Invaders?
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah,
They're-
it's a German artist that puts some everywhere in France and in Europe. And, find them. You have an application on your phone. It's like how to keep Pokemon Go.
I
Yes.
You can catch them, yeah, on the application.
You saw?
Yeah, it looks like a cat.
Everywhere in Europe.
No.
This one is enjoying the sun, enjoying the beach. So the beach we are going to is behind this rock.
Ah, you entered there. Galing. I'm excited to take shower. To dip in the water. Wow. Diyan mo na ilagay sa ano. Dyan na muna. Mainit. Di nga masyado. Red trail na tayo. Red trail. Sculliers. Tama, we slide backwards as one. Ay, nagkaya pa sila. Oh.
Slide backward as well.
Oh, yes. One po.
Wow, ganda no. We climb as one.
We climb as one. We slide as one. We hungry as one. We're at the edge of France, I think. Palanques, no? South of France.
South of France.
Sana mababaw ng tubig.
Sana all.
Oh my God!
Kin.
This is paradise!
Picture.
We fall as one yan, ha?
Ikaw. Maya.
Oo, dito naman tayo mag-stop over. Liligo. We ligo as one.
Non, mais même. Pas compris. Encore, il va lâcher un peu comme ça.
Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God, a paradise! Tagal naman natin mag-stop. I'm excited to... Hello! We reached the beach as one! Oh my God! What is this place? It's paradise! Strong wind. Big, big. Video lang.
Bakit? Buhok mo? Ayaw mo basahin mo?
Adalas ano? Bato. Lumutan.
Dapat sa kanila.
Saan? Tingnan natin.
Punta sa malalim po, pagkita sa malalim.
Oh.
Try ko mo tayo sa malalim.
O si ano, partner, tara!
Partner! Tawag si partner mo. Sakit ng bato.
Tulas ka? Gano'n ka? Ay, putik! Ano ba ito? Mababaw na malalim.
Babaw.
Ba't ganun? Bato yata itong tinapakan ko. Tara! Where's one na rin? Sana all! Doon sa kanilang ano,
Parang mas okay dito.
mas smooth.
Hindi, puro lumot.
Puro lumat pero hindi madalas.
Pero may malalim na.
Pero dito. Pero mababaw lang to yun ha.
Puro lumot, pero hindi. Malalim ba dyan?
Ito malalim.
Makakabulin.
May malalim na part, may mababaw. Malalim. Diyan mababaw?
Ayun yung dalawa.
Mababaw ba dyan? Malalim ba dyan?
Ito.
Hanggang dyan ha? Walang gagawin pala. Dito mo ano, dito tayo, tara. Dito ikot kayo. Ay, puti. Palalim pataan na eh, mga bata. Kumakit ka. Gigilid lang tayo. Hindi ko maano eh.
Ayaw mo o hindi?
Mas okay dito sa ano, lumot-lumot, hindi madulas. Hindi madulas dito sa lumot-lumot. Ilalim aswan na dyan.
Mamamatay ako dyan. Ano ba yung cheese?
Picnic. Prince, we picnic as one.
Ano nangyari?
Malalim dyan?
Wilalim as one. Ay si Park na, wala na.
Baka may kanto na hila sebo.
Okay na, okay na.
Diyan nga rin si palalim eh.
Meron dyan namin.
Dito na. Dito mababaw. Dito makikita ko.
Ayun dito.
Diyan may malalim. Doon sa kulay green na ano. Ayun, nasundan mo si ate. Pag nawala na si ate, yan na yun. Pag namupo na. Kaya nga, gilid-gilidan tayo. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Ligso kahapon. Lalim lang dito.
Anong dyan sa'yo? Kaya sino muna ako. Kaya alam masyado. Sarap ng tubig yung malamig yung nakakarila. Bibidyo at pan yan. Gusto mo mas sa bigilid.
Pero hindi masyado maalit yung tubig. Hindi tayo mahal. Aba. Magkalaban din itong dalawang to. Humahabol sa dulo. Mas one.
Woo! Day of Aswan! Day of Aswan! Ito seryosong hiking to.
This time is Code Way, Code terrain, physical terrain. But this terrain is limited accessibility only.
Grabe yan.
Sino pa inom?
Ay, yung ano,
Paano ba?
ano lang.
Inom ka? Inom mo na.
Thank you.
Sino may tubig dyan? Maganda yan, anuhan ka.
Puro yelo.
Oo, anuhan ka.
Sana all.
Wala na, tunaw na.
Grabe oh. Grabe. Ito talaga edge. Edge of glory.
Tapos lang no. No, c'est bon.
C'est bon.
Soy de abuelo lo fidoy.
Be careful. Uy, grabe, ang ganda oh. Medyo mahirap dun, no? Saan? Ayun. Extreme bundok.
Maganda sana kung dito na lang eh.
Sa ano tayo kasi, wrong route para mas mabilis. Shortcut.
Dapat yung hiking yung may binabound tayo mga ano eh, no? May mga tali-tali. Yun ang talagang hiking eh.
Hiking na hiking talaga.
Pag nalaglag yung nasa harap mo, saluhin ka.
Ba ano, start to zero ulit.
Start to baby ulit siya, no? Start to baby.
Para Mario lang yan. Grabe. Uy, ingat! Gagi ka! Pasabay ka. Uy, ingat ah, ingat. So ayaw nyo ma-start to zero ulit. Seryoso ba to? Seryoso ba to? Siya pa. Wait.
We have some heavy bag.
Sino na? Si Donalyn.
Andun, friends. Sila na yung next.
Grabe. Grabe. Nagas-gas nga lang yung ano. Hey, ano, pwede naman dyan, oh, yan.
Delikado dyan.
Hindi, mas okay dyan kasi maraming bato. Dito maano. Sige.
Dito ka sa may bato. Sige, sa may buhangin. Mas mahirap sa may buhangin. Madulas. Dito tayo.
Diyan kasi umupo sa daan si Kuya. Uy, ang ganda dyan pala. Grabe pa, nasa edge. Pero wag na. Okay na ako. Ah. Pero video na lang to para ano. Upo ka na. Ayan, sige.
Pasikat
Si
niya na.
ano na lang.
Natakpan ko ba? Video ba yan?
Nasa gitna tayo.
Video yan?
Oo.
Sige.
1, 2.
We win as one.
We win as one! Sheesh! Maganda.
May
Ay,
init
sorry.
ka mo as one. Puta init. Tara.
Para malapit na sa araw, ano?
Uy, ang ganda.
Galing.
Lahat tayo.
Lahat tayo. Iset mo, iset mo. Ay ka na.
Yan, sama-sama.
Wait lang, si Prince pa, si Prince pa. Si Prince muna, si Prince.
0.51 saka 2.
Oh, puta na, mayroon na.
Minimiro ah.
5 times to 10 yun ah. Yan.
Oh, sama ka na para lahat tayo.
May shades pala yun, may shades.
Oo, may shades out.
Pamatay, pampinali.
E paano lang? Sigal.
Yan.
Ayan, game.
Grupo o, grupo ulit.
Yan, sige, yun na, yun na.
Ayun na pala.
Anong tawag ng Crocodile Island?
May mga ano na yan, pinamahayan na ng mga engkanto.
Yun yung ulo niya. Yung katawan niya.
Oh, tour guide na tour guide.
Tapos pag tumalon ka dito, back to level 1.
Oo. Tingnan natin kung gaano ka moderate level yung level 1.
Nasaan ang level na ba tayo ngayon?
Level 3. Level 3 pa lang.
Hindi tayo mag-level 100 eh.
Green as one.